Hello everyone, today I will show you a complete Spotify tutorial, everything you need to know part 3. Crossfade songs. Make your playlist sound smooth by enabling crossfade. Go to settings, playback, and turn on crossfade. Adjust the seconds to blend tracks seamlessly. Search by lyrics. Can't remember the song name? Just type any lyrics you remember into the search bar. Spotify will find the song for you. Private session mode. If you don't want Spotify to share your listening activity, enable private session in settings. It is great for those guilty pleasure tracks. Use Spotify codes. Every song, album, and playlist has a unique Spotify code you can share. Tap the three-dot menu on a track. Select the code icon and scan it with friends' phones to share music instantly. That is everything you need to know about complete Spotify tutorial, everything you need to know part 3. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.